Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove hair using thread. I'm going to do threading on my face to remove my hair. So I'm taking my griffin thread. You can take any thread. First I'm applying some powder on my forehead because I'm going to start this from my forehead. Now I'm taking my thread, and this is a measurement that I usually take for my facial hair removal, and for my eyebrow threading I take short length. So this way twist your thread, and you have to open it one side, close it other side, bring it right to left, left to right, and this is how you have to do it. Before doing your practice directly on your face, I would like to suggest you to practice this hand movement 15 minutes at least for 7 to 10 days, then only come to your face. So this is how you can remove your facial hair, upper lip hair and forehead hair. Okay, I am sorry, I forgot to protect my thumb from cut. Because of thread pressure you might get cut on your thumb and on your fingers. So to prevent that cutting, wrap a piece of tape over your thumb and on your fingers also if you want it. So this is how I'm done, and it's going to be really fast and quick. You need practice only. Also wash your face before starting this process to keep your skin dry, clean and oil free, dirt and dust free. Then this process will work really good. Because of moisturizer, your thread will slip from one place to another and this might get you cut. So that's why I'm suggesting you not to apply moisturizer, toner, any cream before doing this. You can adjust the size of the thread, measurement of thread according to your preference. For my forehead and for my facial hair, I personally like to take large measurement so that more hair I can cover at a time. After forehead, I am moving towards my upper lip, and as you can see I have really good growth, like so good. Although this process is bit painful, but it's okay. In lockdown period we have no other choice except shaving and threading. I don't think I can do facial waxing at home, I don't think at all. So that's why I find this really helpful. Like threading is the only option is left to me. And about shaving, I don't like to shave my face. Okay, so do it like so. It's so easy but painful too. And please do not mind my skin condition. Because of lots of sweating and heat, my skin is getting lots of acne, and I have very bad habit of popping them, so that's why I'm having scars too. So please don't mind that. At the time of doing your chin area and cheeks area, try to stretch your skin, your face as much as you can do. Whatever the shape, whatever the angle goes, it doesn't matter. Just stretch your face, stretch your skin, and that's it, so that you would not get cut. If by any chance you get cut, then don't worry at all. Apply some coconut oil 3-4 times a day for 2 to 3 days, and it will get healed. Many times people ask me that can we use a normal thread? Yes, you can. Whatever thread is available to you, all will work. As you can see, I'm moving my thread downward to upward, upward to downward. So likewise you can also move your thread both the side, like downward to upward, upward to downward. It is up to you. Now it's time to do cheeks area. So do not forget to apply some powder. You can use any powder, and this is how you have to do it. Be very gentle while doing your cheeks area. Oops, due to lots of pressure my small finger is about to get cut, so let me protect it. Okay, I'm gonna take a piece of tape and gonna wrap this around my finger to protect it from getting cut. And yes, let's continue with work. Few things you need to keep in mind while doing this method is not for sensitive skin, and also those who have thin skin, this is not for them. And after doing this, you should not wash your face at least for 8 hours with face wash or with soap or anything that can burn or give burning sensation or irritation to your skin. For my side blocks, first I am trimming them. Although my side blocks are not having good growth, but still I'm showing you that if your side blocks are having good growth, then you must trim them first and then use thread to remove them. And I usually don't do side blocks. Okay, so I'm done from my one side and now I'm moving to next side. Larger the thread measurement you take, larger area you will cover at a time. If you remember, then you must know that in my eyebrow threading video I took short measurement, because there I need to take short area, small area at a time, not large one, because we can't take risk with eyebrow. Once you are done with your threading, remove the tips and take ice cube, massage your face at least for 5 minutes. You can take 1 or 2 or 3 ice cube, just massage it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then apply coconut oil. Coconut oil massage is must after threading to soften the skin, to relax it, to reduce the itchingness and burning sensation that we usually suffer. If you know, after eyebrow threading also we do suffer some kind of sensation or burning sensation or irritation, so same happens with our face skin too. So to reduce all these things and to prevent any kind of face infection, it is must to massage coconut oil. No matter whether you have oily skin, acne prone skin, dry skin, whatever skin type you have, you must use coconut oil after threading. If I forgot to tell you something, or if you have any query, any confusion, leave it in comment section. I will surely get back to you. Just stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. I will get back soon in my next video. Till the next time, take care. Have a very nice day. Bye bye.